Izinga lolosuleleko ngentsholongwane yeCORONA liphezulu kakhulu eSekhunda kwaye nanjengoko icotha inkqubo yogonyo eliphondo laseMpumalanga libambisene kunye necandelo labucala kwiinzame zokuqinisekisa ukuba liyakhula inani labantu abagonyelwa iCOVID-19, inkampani yeSASOL iceba ukugonya abasebenzi bayo abangamawaka asibhozo kunye noonokontraka abasebenza nale nkampani abayi-11,000.
We have successfully ran our operation even with the pandemic, but however, we do recognize that as the variance changes, vaccination is the only way for us to get out of this finally, and that is why we're encouraging our people and service providers to get vaccinated.
iSASOL ithembise ukuba kuza kulandelwa yonke imiqathango yezokhuseleko xa isenza umsebenzi wokulungisa iziko layo, okuphehlelelwa kweliphulo zinzame zokuqinisekisa ukhuseleko lwabasebenzi.
Vaccination phobia that is there within our communities. It derails sort of the progress that we are making. Hence, we are going all out robustly to go and encourage our communities. Today, we are here in SASOL to make sure that the employees here, those that are not vaccinated as yet, they get vaccination. Not only just them, but also the contractors that are working in this company will also be vaccinating. So roughly, we are looking at the region of about 19,000 people that will be vaccinating.
Abasebenzi bale nkampani abagonyiweyo bakuviyele ukugonywa.
As you can see, this nowadays life is really challenging, so we need to overcome this.
I was so afraid that the needle will be like painful, but it was so smooth. Yeah, so now I'm feeling free because I was hesitant actually at first, yeah, because of the speculation when people are talking about the vaccination, yeah.
Uzokuthika ngoku bangaphaya kwe-345,000 abantu abagonyiweyo kweliphondo kungekudala eliphulo lobambiswano phakathi korhulumente necandelo labucala liza kwandiswa liquke neenkampani zemigodi namafama.